morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Ryder Tucker.
And I'm Jordan. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today you'll be enjoying toasted ravioli with marinara sauce and meatballs, garlic bread, a cookie, tossed salad with cucumber slices, fruit cocktail, and of course a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
I'm Cooper Nation, and here are your top 5 news stories of the day. Coming in at number 1, Tesla plans to lay off over 10% of its workforce. Number 2, City of Newton ordered its Public Works Department to remove goats that were cleaning overgrown grass on city property. Number 3, a record-breaking 72,000 plus tickets were sold for sporting KC game played at Arrowhead Stadium. Number 4, Kansas Highway Patrol ordered to pay $2.3 million settlement for unconstitutional Kansas two-step traffic tactic. And number 5, Ticketmaster to face federal antitrust, lawsuit, and prosecution.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is multifarious. Many and of various types.
I find the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson.
Last week we looked at some of your favorite drinks.
Now we are switching it up.
It's time to hear what beverages you hate.
I'm Old Morris. The worst drink is any zero drink. Coke Zero, Pepsi Zero, I don't know, they all taste like crap.
My name is Michael Love, and I personally think it's Diet A&W root beer because it tastes disgusting.
My name is Jocelyn, and my least favorite drink is rice milk because it has a bit too many spices in it, and it just tastes a little weird to me.
I'm Carter Winky, and I think probably one of my least favorite beverages is Coca-Cola because it's just over-carbonated.
My name is Xander, and my least favorite beverage is probably carbonated water. That doesn't have any flavor in it. That's nasty. You might as well just be drinking regular water at that point. So.
We should be seeing some off and on rain showers. Let's take a look at today's weather.
Hi, my name is Michaela Barnes, and today's high is 64 and today's low is 41.
Now for a quick blast to the past, let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
April 18th, 1906. A devastating earthquake strikes San Francisco, flattening buildings and setting off raging fires. Estimates of the final death toll range between 3,000 and 6,000 in one of the worst natural disasters ever to hit an American city. 1775. In Massachusetts, several post riders set out to warn colonists of the British attack that starts the American Revolution. One patriotic myth growing out of that movement begins with a Henry Wadsworth Longfellow poem called Paul Revere's Ride. 1983. A suicide bomber kills 63 people, including 17 Americans, at the U.S. Embassy in Lebanon's capital, Beirut. 1955. Physicist Albert Einstein, considered the greatest scientist of the 20th century, dies in Princeton, New Jersey. He was 76. And 1999. Hockey legend Wayne Gretzky plays his last NHL game at New York's Madison Square Garden. Gretzky, nicknamed the Great One for setting so many records, says it's time to move on.
It's hard. This is a great game, but it's a hard game, and I'm ready.
Today in history, April 18th. Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.